Okay, take you through this real fast here. This is kind of temporary. I didn't have, that's why there's just wire loom. I didn't have another like short whip or more seal tight connections and stuff for that. But anyway, we'll do that right. But anyway, so power comes in from the breaker here, comes through the terminal strip, goes into the top of the contactor, goes out to the compressor here. Pressure switch is just going to stay probably on all the time now. And the plug, so my 110 volt plug here coming from the Alexa smart adapter. Again, there's really no current going through it. In fact, it's going through a 3 amp breaker right here anyway, just to protect that little cheapy smart plug. But it's just going into the terminal strip and then goes in and feeds the breaker and feeds the coil for the contactor. In fact, I'm going to redo that. So right now the contactor is not actually going through this too right now, but I'm going to in the future here. But I'm going to use my auxiliaries here. I'm going to tie in a solenoid. It's probably going to go back to this open terminal strip, and then my 2 solenoids are going to tie in there. I have a 1/4 inch one here for this line that feeds this building, and then a 1/2 inch one here that feeds the shop over there. And then I'm going to put a automatic tank drain on a thing too, because it's got a manual drain, and of course I check it like most people, like never, so like once a year or something. So try to make that work a little bit better. And I can't verbally do it on my phone while taking video, but it does work verbally from my phone. My Alexa device out here in the barn is not cooperating for some reason, but if it did cooperate, and when I verbally do it, it just hits, there's a manual button on the side here. Manually shut it off. So try to get video with my other phone, I guess, when you get the solenoids in and show it actually working properly. But that'll be nice. I don't have to worry about shutting it off. I can just do everything through the verbally or through the app on my phone. If I leave the house and forget that it's, I can't remember if I turned it off or not, well, I can just log into the Amazon app and double check it. So I've already got my shop lights, and there's a actual working Amazon Alexa in there, and that works all my shop lights and stuff. I'm going to start putting some other stuff on it too, but I'm liking using that for some of this more industrial purposes. But I saw some of these contactor, like it's kind of like a Wi-Fi smart contactors online you could buy, and they look super chintzy. And this is all just recycled parts from other projects, so I don't think it'll be too bad. Just close that up and finish a few touch-up things there, and my solenoids, like I said, so the tank can stay juiced up and drain and whatnot, and I'll just, any leaks I have obviously are in the scabby shit that, goes to hose reels and goes underground to the other building and all that. So anyway, it seems like it's going to work fine.